Hey truckers, it's me again for the Sidewinder. You see all these straps we have down, you have them on the side of your bed. How about we get these up a little bit more easier than that wind up tool? You guys know what I'm talking about. With the Sidewinder, all you do is insert it in so. Start winding it up. Unhook it, hook it. Just as so. Wind it up. Unhook. And we got the last one here. Just hook it in and so. That easy. Not much. Oh yeah, by the way, you might have some loose straps, right? Don't worry about it. Sidewinder's got you. Got ones like this, right? You hook it up as so. Wind it up. That's simple. The Sidewinder does two jobs. Winch strap, loose straps in one. That's what it does. So why don't you pick yourself up the Sidewinder? The link's below. I offer free shipping. Let's get through these straps without breaking a sweat.